Thinking about banking with Discover in 2025? Let's break down the real pros and cons of Discover Bank so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. Discover Bank is fully online, no branches, no paperwork. It offers checking, high yield savings, CDs, and even personal loans. And yes, it's FDIC insured. Here's what makes Discover stand out. First are the high yield savings. APYs are consistently higher than traditional banks. No monthly fees, no overdraft fees, and no minimum balance. There are also 24/7 US based customer service, always a plus, and the cashback debit card. You can earn 1% on up to $3,000 in purchases monthly, but here's where it might fall short. First is that there are no physical branches. If you like in person service, it's not for you. There are also limited account options, no business banking or joint savings goals features. And lastly is the mobile app. It is functional but not as advanced as some fintech competitors. And the verdict is if you're looking for a fee free, high yield online bank with strong customer service, Discover Bank is a top contender in 2025. Just know you'll be doing everything digitally. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!